Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. The second success of a marketing master is to tread 100 paths of broken stones. What do we mean by this? Well, we mean that we have to deeply empathize with our customer. We have to have walked where they walk. We have to feel the broken stones under our feet in order to empathize with the pain that they are going through, with the aspirations they have, with all of the nuances that our customer is undertaking in their life, the things they would like to achieve, the important conversations they're having with their spouse that means the different ways they feel. So we tread 100 paths. We deeply get embedded with our customer in terms of an empathy map. And that's one of our first tools in our 10 elements of business clarity, is to do an empathy map of our customer. And we walk the pathway that they walk. We think how they think. We learn all of their woes and their issues and their struggles. And we sit down and we work out how our golden house of enchantment will relieve them of those struggles and give them a place of safety and a place where they want to come back again and again and spend money with us because we're looking after them.